We are walking from the bus stop. We're walking from the bus stop to the ferry going to Apo Island. Oh God, it stinks. That dried fish smell. Oh God. I have no idea what they're saying, but they're saying it rather loudly. Good grief. Tobacco for sale. You go first. Ilocana? We may get some on the way back.
Stay here on the side.
What kind of fish is that?
That's the you know the
Kind of looks like a barracuda, but it's not.
No, that's a barracuda.
Oh, that's a type of barracuda?
Yeah, that's a barracuda. This one is the kind of the one that's put in the pizza.
Oh, that's a type of anchovy?
Yes, that's a type of anchovy.
Okay. We're gonna have to look for some souvenirs on the way out.
Huh?
There's your hanging rice.
Yeah. No, it's not hanging rice.
Oh, what is it?
It's budbud. It's like one of
What the heck's budbud?
Puto, the types of sweet rice.
Oh. They got cigarettes by the carton.
Oh yeah.
And magic syrup.
You wanna see the hanging, the pork that was hung?
Pork that was.
Right here.
Oh, very cool. I don't think you can see it. There's a meat market back there. Fresh pork. He was probably squealing at sunrise. How would you like to live there?
Wow, I could live here.
Really? In the middle of this insanity?
Huh?
And is tobacco grown here?
Yeah.
Successful bidder, it seems. That there's a big livestock market here, big auction here. This place is stinking insane. Tuna. Another successful bidder. Unbelievable. Those are gorgeous sets.
Yeah.
Ask how much they are.
Ate, excuse me, pinakang sa ha? 3, sana, sana sir? 3,500, 3,500. Salamat.
Crabs for sale.
More brooms.
The broom Cindy loves.
Yeah. Oh, here's 5,500. Peanut 5,500.
55.
Beach Cafe, hot and cold drinks, snacks, all-day breakfast, lunch, and dinner, beachfront accommodation, shower, and toilet. They got it pretty well covered.
I really smell the strong flavor of fish.
You ain't lying on that one. Niingon pa ka. Oh,
Different
cool.
kinds of bolos. This is the one that we use to get the
Brush hook?
yeah the wood, the grass.
No, that kind of looks like what we use as a sickle.
Yeah.
Very cool. Your coconut shredder?
Uh-oh. Good job.
Handmade crowbars. Playing with the Cindy got distracted by the fans. Pie pie. Somebody with a white guy, huh?
They got me like double the price over there.
Long nose
Maybe
tax?
give me 25, giving me 55 for price.
They know how I feel. Spear guns.
Huh?
Spear guns.
Oh yeah.
Homemade spear guns.
This is the one for the chicken, for the roosters. So they can put, you know, put their feet here and then you could just put them.
Oh, so you can. Huh. Got some serious trikage. Oh, that's the live auction.
That's a livestock?
That's livestock auction. Sorry. No pay, no entry.